Paper. Let me tell you what cause the problem. Bro, paper. Oh, all along when me I get trouble on TikTok and on internet, nobody name want cancel me. Boys, Nicki Minaj start give me and things start going for me. Me come out #1 yesterday. Me all company US. Everybody get bad mind.
When you hear that, my viewers, blam them and say, I chew him a link with Nicki Minaj, make everybody a bad mind him, and I talk about them want cancel him. So no welcome to my channel, and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about, so no drop some like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to the gunman, murder Bunup a Spain town, plus selector fire blocks from Canada, take him on a 3 pints, and fry eye warrior them, drop out. So before me jump in at the reasoning, and make on know what I go on, pre this.
The little girl got a ton and her cousin get $1,000. And the next one they tell her, I say, you know she got a ton and get 1,000. You know what the mother do? The mother not get nothing now. And she's supposed to earn the money. It's the reason why price don't have a phone. Because all communication will go through the mother.
And that me I tell people that she never have a phone and she never have a TikTok. That me I tell people can.
She use her sister phone to go up on TikTok. She have a TikTok account.
Because she did have
But then I lower her from her phone because guess what?
No phone.
Any link I go through the mother. That's what little girl say. When the mother say, when man come to her and the little girl shall sleep and little girl don't wake her, little girl tell the people say she'll sleep and she'll say you're old man, go and sleep. Why you think the price don't tell her? Eh?
Because you know nobody know.
No. When the man them come, the man say me have 5 grand, I can get some front. And she send the man in the room with the price. And all the time price up to it.
When you hear that, my viewers, wanna think about that one here. Make we talk about that one here, my people. But before we go any further, remember, everything what that brother here say, it's allegedly. So here we know, my people. He must say Price Johnson mother sell front. And he must say, when Price Johnson mother realize say, our front not up on the top shelf no more, it gone down on the ground, and the dog them now spend top dollar for she no more. She start invite the man them to her daughter now, and start make the man them a buy front from her daughter. Even though her daughter never like it, but her daughter have to do it. Cause you don't know the thing going to ghetto. If them no do it, mama start beat them and start angle them all type of way. So see it, my viewers, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. And me nah go say a lie, and me nah go say a true. Cause we hear about whole heap of stories like this in a ghetto. When mother push out them daughter because them no fit for this no more. No man nah look upon them no more. And this are the only way for bringing a income in the house. Some of viewers, can this story be true? Or that brother you just a cap? Eh? Nobody knows, you know. Cause when Price Johnson drop out, you know, we see Price Johnson mother come on TV. Enough people say she never look sad. Enough people say she doesn't even look concerned. And remember, as she say, I man he never do this to her daughter, you know. Then who do this then? If I man he never do this. So see it, my viewers, all type of things I talk now. Cause you don't know, you know, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. Them see and hear everything, but them not go talk it unless you're dead. And now Price Johnson dead. So I guess a bag of thing attacking at the scheme now though. So my viewers, no walk with me now. See the man you wanna see on the screen. Fire Blocks. Him is a selector from over Canada. And me I say Fire Blocks take him 1 or 3 pints, you know. And me I say Fire Blocks did have the big A, you know. It look like a that make him take him 1 or 3 pints, you know. Can't take it no more, you know. So see it, my viewers. See in a life, you have to know what you do out there. That's why more time when you hear some man talk about them a gyalis and them a this and them a that, you know much infection them a catch, you know much thing enough of them could have, and you think them a go walk and tell nobody, them just a go walk and give everybody. Remember that. So see it here, Fire Blocks, drop out, take him 1 or 3 pints in a Canada, can't take this thing no more. So my viewers, you take a walk with me again. We see Fry Eye Warrior them from over Alman Town drop out in a car. Me a tell you no, my people, me no know what this, you know. 3 youth drop out in a car one time, and them rest a friend them the hospital a butter fi them 3. And if you ever see that video, yeah, me no know how this, me a tell you no. Car gone up in a flames. You them a beg for them 3 in the car, me a tell you no, and a burn up. So see them here, my viewers, Kawian, Banger, and the whole of them, Fry Eye Little Warrior them from over in Alman Town. Look like a party them did a go or a party them a forward from. I mean, I know how this, me a tell you no more people, but car go crash, and see them here, couple of them dead off, and couple of them the hospital a butter fi them 3. So my viewers, walk with me again. We got Waterloo District. We see a brother by the name of Devon Reese, aka Bunup. I work on a furniture on the roadside, and the killer them pull up on him foot in a pro box. And empty a clip in the dog get brawling and drive off back. See it here, my viewers. So you go tell me, say, Bunup in a worried man, and then a Migla Road in a Waterloo District of Spain Town, St. Catherine. I work on furniture, and now know say program a run, and now know say the killer them a pull up, and by the time the killer them pull up, him they get a chance to run. The man them just empty the clip in him head, B9 ball in a chest and in a head. Get to youth, you know how to sign up for, you know. Enough of you in a badness, you know, and go on like so, no sense, you know. I donate on 3 points to the system and to up them, you know, till see it here. You tell me, say, Bunup never know where I go on. Bunup this man, and no know say him this man. Or him a par in a gang, and no know say him gang and other gang in a war. Cause this no look like a innocent situation, you know. The man them go fi burn up himself, you know, and go burn up him skin, you know. So see it here, my viewers. Crime and violence are one of the biggest problem them boy, yeah. And every day we see Marky G and Andrew I go at it with them one another boy, yeah. Them no care about the people, them, you know. Them only care about them personal needs for win election and for get vote. So no for you no better wake up out there and see where I go on boy, yeah. You no own a politician them or no own a MP. Don't care about you no. So see it here, my people. What do you think them are going to do over in a Spain Town? The regular Bunup job, curfew, send some police over there to go hold off the corner. And then by that gone, back to normal programming again. Man are dead again. So my viewers, until next time, me go dig off here now. Protect phone 3 points a road. You don't know the code. A life over death. You see me?
Paper. Let me tell you what cause the problem. Bro, paper. Oh, all along when me I get trouble on TikTok and on internet, nobody name want cancel me. Boys, Nicki Minaj start give me and things start going for me. Me come out #1 yesterday. Me all company US. Everybody get bad mind. You all of them I get bad mind paper. A bad mind, you all of them get bad mind paper and I try cancel me paper and they call the woman name. I tell her a lie pan the woman. I lie them I tell pan the woman paper. Oh the hell me dey pan phone with the woman. Are you dey pan the phone with the woman pretty done? Are you and Nicki Minaj dey pan phone? Dirty girl pretty done. Nasty thinking crutches pretty done. Where they said it, look at, hear him. Look where vlogger them when give you post I say. It's alleged the person on the monitor is blame them at Pretty Dan residence while on the phone with Nicki Minaj. Or the hell me dey pan phone with Nicki Minaj but me a video yaso. A video